What up, guys? So tonight I decided to make some pasta with vodka sauce minus the vodka, and I thought I'd share. I started with 2 chicken breasts that I cut up and added garlic salt, and then I added some oregano, and then some black pepper. Next, I'm shaking in some rosemary. And then I'm adding in some sea salt. And you want to season very generously. Then I found my coriander. I was looking for it, but I found it as the meat was almost done, so I just added in a little bit of that. And then I'm going to move the meat to the side. Put some olive oil in that skillet and add about half of a large onion, and I want to add it to that skillet that the chicken was cooking in because it just has all that flavor and stuff, and stir that up. And then I'm adding 2 heaping spoonfuls of tomato paste, and I'm going to mix that into the onions, and then I'm going to add my heavy whipping cream. And usually I'd add minced garlic here, but I didn't have any, so I just added a little bit more garlic powder. And now the heavy whipping cream. If you're making 1 pound of pasta, you only need 16 ounces. I used almost a quart because I have almost 2 pounds of pasta boiling. And you want to let that come to a boil, just like that. And then you want to add your pasta in, and my pot is almost overflowing because I have too much pasta for that size pan. So don't do that. If you're making a large amount, use a bigger pan. So then I just added the chicken in, and I'm adding some parsley, stirred it up a little, added a little more parsley, and then I'm going to add my fresh Parmesan. And yeah, that is it for my easy vodka pasta. I hope you guys enjoy. Love you so much. Let me know if you make this. Bye.